Hey guys, Blue Web back here with another video. Today I'm just going to be showing you my new mail order that I just got in. So I ordered 6 ODSTs and 1 Spartan. So here that is. And I also got a really cool freebie that I didn't know if I was going to be able to get. Anyways, we're going to pour the stuff I got. Bag's really cool. There's printed brickforge on it. Anyways, so yeah, here are the 6 ODSTs. Alright, yeah. Just angling that up a little bit. Super crappy quality, I'm so sorry. Alright, well anyways, here's how it actually looks. It's really sick. I'm gonna set them up back here, and I'll go ahead and set up the Spartan. Put that on. Put on the visor. Let it focus. And dang, that looks good. Okay, so he's like a baby blue Spartan with a black visor. Cyan have baby blue legs. They're substituted for these. They kind of make him look like he's from Reach. Yeah, looks really sick though. I'm gonna set him up back here, and then I'll go ahead and put on the rest of the armor right now. Here's the other ODST armor set that I ordered. Looks really sick. It's falling on the floor. Alright. Yeah, another ODST right there. This one. So yeah, just ordered a whole bunch of ODSTs. I'm really happy with this new armor that they just came out with. And then after this armor, not only do I have these 6, but I also typed in something else special. Can't tell you what it is, but I typed in something, and I got this. Which I'm gonna go ahead and put that on a figure, that way you can see what it is. And it's probably show up better on a clear Spartan, on a white Spartan, white figure, but I went ahead and put it on just a random figure I had lying around. And it's a set of clear ODST armor. It's awesome. Didn't think I was actually going to be able to get a hold of it. Now at the time of filming this, I got the last set. But yeah, this is awesome. Anyway, so if you guys like my haul I got, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.